Have you ever left a conversation with a narcissist feeling completely disoriented, questioning your own memory, your own judgment, even your own sanity? This isn't a simple argument. This is a psychological war tactic called gaslighting. Its goal is to make you doubt your own reality so you become easier to control. Today, we are not just going to list the tactics. We are going to use the profound wisdom of Carl Jung to build an unshakable fortress within your own mind. We will move from being a victim of their distortion to the guardian of your own truth. This is how you fight back, not by changing them, but by anchoring yourself in your Jungian self. From a Jungian perspective, gaslighting is a direct assault on your ego, your conscious sense of I. The narcissist, utterly dominated by their own unintegrated shadow, cannot tolerate your separate reality, so they project their own chaos, lies, and insecurities onto you. Their mission is to dissolve your ego's boundaries and make you the carrier of their own psychological filth. Understanding this is your first weapon. It's not about you, it's about their sickness. Let's break down their playbook and build your Jungian defense strategy. For each move, they lie. They will outright lie about what they said or what happened. The example, you agreed to visit your family on Saturday. On Friday, they say, "You never told me that. We always planned to do something else that day." The Jungian strategy. This is an attack on your perception. Your shield is the notebook of reality. Keep a private journal. Write down important conversations and decisions. This isn't paranoid. It's building empirical evidence for your ego. When they lie, you can calmly reference your notes. You are no longer relying on a fuzzy memory. You are relying on data. This strengthens your conscious mind against their unconscious onslaught. They counter information. They will present facts that contradict what you know to be true. The example, you see them flirt with someone at a party. When you bring it up, they say, "You're imagining things. We were just talking about the weather." You always misinterpret friendliness. The Jungian strategy, anchor yourself in your senses. What did you see? What did you hear? Your senses are the gateway to your reality. Jung emphasized the importance of the sensing function for grounding. When they counter your information, silently repeat to yourself, "I trust my eyes. I trust my ears." Do not debate their false reality. Simply state yours once, "I saw what I saw," and disengage. They blame shift. They will make their mistake your fault. The example, they forget your birthday. When you feel hurt, they explode. "Now I'm the bad guy again. If you weren't so needy and demanding, I wouldn't be so stressed and forget things." The Jungian strategy, this is pure projection. They are projecting their own failure and shame onto you. Your sword is shadow discernment. Ask yourself, whose responsibility is this truly? Own your part in dynamics, but clearly separate it from their actions. You can say, "My feeling hurt is my reaction. Your forgetting the birthday is your action." This separates your inner world from their external failure. They deny. They deny your experience and memory. The example, after a huge fight where they called you horrible names, they later claim, "I never said that." You have a terrible memory. You're making it up. The Jungian strategy, they are trying to assassinate your inner witness, the part of you that observes and records your life. Your compass is to cultivate that witness. Through meditation or journaling, strengthen the part of you that simply observes without immediate judgment. The more you connect with this inner observer, the less power their denials have. The witness knows the truth, even when the ego is doubting. They mislead. They change the subject to confuse you and avoid accountability. The example, you confront them about not helping with chores. They reply, "Oh, and you're perfect?" What about that time you forgot to pick up the kids 3 years ago? Maybe if you were more organized, I wouldn't be so overwhelmed. The Jungian strategy, this is a classic diversion. Your tool is the holy no to distraction. You must hold the frame. Calmly repeat, that is not what we are talking about right now. We are discussing the chores. This is an act of ego strength. You are defining the terms of the conversation and protecting your psychic energy from being scattered. They compare you unfavorably to others to make you feel inferior. The example, you're excited about a promotion. They say, that's nice. But did you hear Mark became a director? His wife must be so proud. He really knows how to climb the ladder. The Jungian strategy, this is an attack on your unique process of individuation, your journey to become who you are meant to be. Your mantra is, my journey is my own. Their comparisons are meaningless because they don't understand your soul's path. See their words as static on a radio channel you don't need to listen to. They isolate. They dismiss your friends and try to cut you off from support. The example, your best friend points out their toxic behavior. The narcissist says, she's always been jealous of our relationship. She's just poisoning you against me. You can't trust her. The Jungian strategy, this is an attempt to starve your ego of external validation. Your defense is to build your council, a small, trusted group of people who reflect your true self, not the distorted image the narcissist projects. This council acts as a mirror for your sanity, helping you hold on to your reality. They trivialize. They belittle your feelings, beliefs, or accomplishments. The example, you're upset about a hurtful comment. They scoff. You're so sensitive. I was just joking. Can't you take a joke? You're always so dramatic. The Jungian strategy, this is an attempt to make your inner world small. Your power is in the declaration of validity. You must internally, and if safe, externally declare, my feelings are valid. What is important to me matters. This is you standing up for the sanctity of your own soul. You are refusing to let them be the judge of your inner experience. Gaslighting forces you into a battle you can never win on their terms. The real battle is not with the narcissist. The real battle is for the throne of your own psyche. Will you let their projected shadow sit on that throne, or will you, your integrated conscious self, reclaim it? These Jungian rules are not about winning arguments. They are about ending the war inside your own head. They are practices to strengthen your ego, validate your perceptions, and protect your sacred individual reality. Which of these tactics have you encountered the most? If you feel okay, you might share your experience in the comments. By sharing our stories, we become mirrors of sanity for each other. Thank you for watching. Remember, your reality is not up for debate.